Backed by over 45 years of experience in the creation, manufacture and wholesale of plastic boxes for all types of industries, the company Supertronic was present at Matelec, the international trade fair for the electrical and electronics industry. Supertronic is an expert company in the manufacture and worldwide distribution of plastic housings for sensors, remote controls, electricity, communication, handheld, desktop or wall-mounted connectables like Box PP109, one of the novelties presented at the fair. In addition, it also has specific models for very defined needs, such as those built with fire-retardant materials or models with a high degree of impermeability, IP65, like Box PP76, one of the most sold. We invite you to visit their website, supertronic.com, to find out about their wide range of plastic housings with different designs, dimensions, colors, finishes, and materials. High-quality products with innovative and ergonomic designs that meet the RoHS guidelines, respect the environment, and ship quickly to any part of the world. In addition, from a determined number of quantities, their plastic boxes can be customized either in color, materials, or machining them to fit all kinds of electronic equipment, with the aim of offering solutions adapted to the specific needs of each customer at very competitive prices. You can rely on Supertronic, the brand that protects with an exterior quality appearance that your electronics deserves.